Well, good morning all. So Jay, you got a new toy today? What kind of toy you got? What is it?
It's a truck.
Yep, it's a truck. What does it do? Do you know? Show us, let's see. It's a mix?
Mix.
Concrete mixer? Okay. Well, let's see what it is. Let's see. You want to play with it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, show us. What does it do? What does it do? Oh, it actually goes by itself? A little bit when you push it.
Have a button.
Oh, it has a button. Okay. And it goes when you press it. Let's see. Let's see. Press it and let's see if it's gonna go. Oh, it does. Look, check that out. Okay. Okay.
You need batteries.
It needs batteries too? Yeah?
Maybe no.
Maybe no? Okay. Well, let's see what you can do with it.
Yeah.
What can you do? Okay. Yeah. There you go.
You can go backwards.
You can go backwards? Oh, wow. Okay. Let's see.
No. Oh, sand can go in here.
Sand? Oh, is that what you do?
Yeah.
Put the sand in and you mix it.
Yeah. You put the sand here, then you roll it.
Oh, and rolls. Yeah, it mixes. Yep.
Then water comes out
Where?
of this.
Yeah, it comes out right there. Let's see. Let me see how it looks. Watch your head. Let's see. Okay.
Oops.
And then you can move it.
Oopsie.
You can move it and look at it. Yep, different way. Okay. So, how you gonna play with it?
I'm gonna play with back and forth.
Are you just gonna move it back and forth? You're gonna mix some stuff in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect for outside.
Yeah.
You have more space to let it run.
I wish I had sand.
Sand. Well, we gotta wait for summertime.
Yeah.
Now it's too cold to go outside.
To buy some sand.
Yeah, we'll get some sand when summer comes.
Yeah. Till the pool summer comes.
Yeah.
So
You can still play with a toy now. It's super fast, isn't it? See? Super fast.
I love the horse. Yep.
And you like the horsey?
Yeah.
Woo!